Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I install WPS Office? Free download the latest version of WPS Office 2016. Open the folder where the downloaded software is located and double-click the file. The WPS Office 2016 wizard dialog appears. You can select the language at the top right corner, and installation path also can be set in this step. Can I download Ms. Office for free? Use Office Online in a browser. It's free whether you're using a Windows 10 PC, Mac, or Chromebook. You can use Microsoft Office for free in a web browser. The web-based versions of Office are simplified and won't work offline, but they still offer a powerful editing experience. How can I download Microsoft Office on my computer for free? Sign in to download and install Office. Go to www.office.com and if you're not already signed in, select Sign In. Sign in with the account you associated with this version of Office. After signing in, follow the steps that match the type of account you signed in with. This completes the download of Office to your device. How do I download a WPS link? Graphic skills on how to download files in WPS Cloud. Open WPS Office. On the home page, select the left navigation bar and click Open right-pointing arrow WPS Cloud Files. Place the cursor on the file we want to download, right-click and select Export in the shortcut menu. Then we can download files in WPS Cloud. How do I use WPS Office on my phone? Few steps, and you're ready to edit your documents easily. Step 1. Download WPS Office app in Android phone via Play Store. Step 2. After successful installation of WPS app, click on Open. Step 3. At the bottom you will see Cloud Storage. Click on plus to add your cloud storage.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.